how to create a Google form on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. It's really simple. What you have to do is go to your Google Chrome and then tap on the search bar and search for forms.google.com, hit enter, and automatically the forms will open. Now you just have to give a form name, and you can even put the form description, and then you can start putting in your questions and options. You can change the options. What you need to do is you'll need to tap on the plus icon, and then you can tap on the drop down beside multiple choice, and you can change it to check boxes. You can even change it to paragraph, and then you can just keep on adding new questions. You can even change the text size, make it bold, italic, underline it, put a link according to your wish. It's really simple, and you just have to hit save. So you can copy the link by tapping on the link option on the top, and then you can just send the link to others. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.